In Part 5, tools gave our model new abilities, but something still has to decide which tool to use and when. That's an agent. An agent wraps a language model in a reasoning loop, letting it choose tools, observe results, and continue until the task is complete. A tool performs one specific task when called. An agent decides which tools to use, in what order, until the problem is solved. Just like Part 5, we reuse the same multiply tool. The difference is that the agent now decides when to call it. The agent receives the complete question. It independently decides how many reasoning steps are required. First, the agent analyzes the request and reasons about what must happen before it can produce the correct answer. The agent calls the multiply tool. The tool performs exactly one job and immediately returns the result. After receiving 400, the agent realizes only simple arithmetic remains, so it finishes the calculation without another tool. Sometimes the answer needs several tools. Other times, one tool is enough. The reasoning loop continues only when necessary. Here the agent thinks, uses one tool, observes the result, completes the remaining reasoning, and produces the final answer. Agents make applications more flexible by choosing the right sequence of actions instead of relying on hard-coded workflows. Tools give a model new capabilities. Agents add decision-making. Next, we'll connect those agents to your own knowledge using Retrieval-Augmented Generation.